Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone, this is Ashrama Shukla, your current affairs and banking awareness faculty on Entry platform, and in this video we are going to talk about all the major news events that have taken place in the past days and are important from examination point of view. The discussion is going to involve all the major news events which are important from your examination, and therefore this is going to be a more theory oriented session where you can enhance your notes. For those who want to practice questions or want this video in Hindi, for them we have Entry app. You can download app from Google Play Store, and there you will be getting all these videos and much more along with a lot of free material. Let's begin the discussion with the first news event, Leads 2021 Index. Leads, which stands for Logistics Ease Across Different States 2021 Index, was released recently by the Commerce and Industry Minister of India, Piyush Goyal ji. There were three categories to these ranking or in this index. The first was states category, in which Gujarat had topped, with Haryana being second and Punjab coming third. In northeast states and Himalayan Union territories, Jammu and Kashmir had topped, with Sikkim on the second position and Meghalaya on the third position. In category of Union territories, Delhi was the first ranked, whereas Chandigarh was ranked on the second place in this index. Now, there were 21 indicators which were used for putting on this index and it is framed by the team of transport and logistics experts and professionals in the E&Y LLP with Department of Logistics of Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Then we have Global Drug Policy Index. This was released by Harm Reduction Consortium recently. According to that, Norway has topped the index, second position being of New Zealand, third being Portugal, fourth being United Kingdom, and the fifth position going to Australia. These are the top 5 countries when it comes to compassionate and health-oriented drug regulations. Now, in this ranking, India has been ranked at 18th position out of a total 30 countries, where Brazil was the 30th ranked country, Uganda being 29th, Indonesia being 28th, Kenya being 27th, and Mexico City being 26th. These are the lowest 5, with Brazil being the lowest ranked or 30th ranked. The index provides the first ever, for this index has been released for the first time, so first ever data driven global analysis of the 30 countries on global policies and their implementation in a transparent, systematic and comprehensive manner. Then we come to a few one-liners, the first being Brickwork Ratings, which has estimated India's GDP for financial year 2021-22. So for the financial year 22, the rating has been put at 10 to 10.5% as per the latest release. Earlier the estimate was at 9% GDP for the same. For financial 22, then there were quarterly rankings also which were mentioned. Now, in the first quarter of the fiscal of 2022, it mentioned that India's GDP has grown by 20.1%. ESAF Small Finance Bank has partnered with NABARD and have framed the local sustainable economic development training program, which will be executed at a state level currently to bring financial empowerment and economic independence to the states at a local level. So there will be various training and electing representatives of Panchayati Raj institutions to work to enhance the well-being of community in the respected constituencies. Then we have Morinari Watanabe. He has been re-elected as the president of International Gymnastics Federation for a duration of another 3 years. Now, the headquarters of Federation of Gymnastic Federation, that is FIG, are in Lausanne in Switzerland. Justice Ashok Bhushanji has been appointed as chairman of National Company Law Appellate Tribunal recently, replacing Justice S.J. Mukhopadhyay ji. Liberty General Insurance Limited has partnered with PhonePe. Liberty General Insurance's motor insurance policy will be provided using the PhonePe platform, and this partnership will make it more easy and affordable to access the motor insurance cover for all the people. Then we have Tripura's Bamboo and Cane Development Institute (BCDI), which has partnered with Bamboo and Cane Development Institute, and they have announced that they have developed India's first ever bamboo made cricket bat by following all the norms of all the cricket making which have to be followed for development for making any bat. So they have followed all the guidelines which are supposed to be followed for this creation. Priyanka Mohite is a 28-year-old mountaineer from Maharashtra and has been selected by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports for the Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Awards, which is the highest award which can be given in the field of adventure sports. There have been other winners also who have been announced, like for air adventure category we have Lieutenant Colonel Sarvesh Tadwal ji. In lifetime achievement we have Jai Kishan ji. In land category we have Colonel Amit Bish Sheetal ji and Jai Prakash Kumar ji. In water adventure we have Shrikant Vishwanathan ji. Department of Telecommunications has fixed December 2022 as the deadline from 30th of June 2022 for all the internet service providers to customize their network as well as update modems and routers at customer locations to deliver services including using IPv6. India hosted a security dialogue on Afghanistan. The involvement of Russia, Iran, and other Central Asian countries has also been confirmed in this meeting, which is going to be organized for the security dialogue of Afghanistan. So it's not just Afghanistan, but the close geographical neighbors also who are going to be a part of it, including China and Pakistan, who have also been invited. Although Pakistan has refused, but the further confirmation is required. Indian government has released a draft mediation bill for public comment, which aims to protect the petitioner's right to approach competent adjudicatory forums. The bill protects litigants' rights to seek urgent remedy from competent adjudicatory forums and courts, and it states that successful outcome is now legally enforceable in form of a mediation settlement agreement. And also it wants that there should be an Indian Mediation Council to be established for the same. Wang Yaping, a Chinese astronaut, has become the first Chinese woman to walk in space. The annual Leonids meteor shower has begun, which is going to last from 6th of November to 30th of November 2021. This meteor shower is caused by debris from the tiny comet 55P Tempel-Tuttle in the constellation of Leo. Every 33 years, a Leonid shower transforms into a meteor shower. So it's called a Leonid shower, but every 33 years we have a meteor shower out of it, and hundreds and thousands of meteors are seen every hour during this meteor storm. About 1000 meteors per hour are observed in this storm, and such a storm last occurred in the year 2002. And it is expected that on 17th of November this meteor shower is going to be at its peak. The first ever bamboo made cricket bat stumps in the Tripura's Bamboo and Cane Development and the Northeast Center of Technological Application and Reach have claimed to have created country's first ever bamboo made cricket bat, and all the industry established protocols have been followed in creating this bat. Delhi Cabinet has authorized a budget of 1544 crore rupees to improve the health services in Delhi as a part of its fight against COVID-19. Emergency COVID response package was adopted by Delhi government led by Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal ji. With this we wind up this session, and I hope this session has been helpful. We'll see you in the next video with more news events. Till then, have a great day ahead.